First ball possession, Roses. Shot left end. 5 to shoot. Screen. 3-0 in favor of Roses. Basket LJ 5-3. Seconds to shoot.
Pass. Come on, Kevin. Kevin, shoot!
The Rockies have 7-3.
Kevin, i-shoot mo na yan!
2 points, number 30. 7-5. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds shot left.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Wrong.
Kobe, bumaba ka na daw. Sabi ko. Sa agaw kay Sai. Rosso.
Timeout, Roses. Official score 11-5. Basket number 8. In favor of Young Vikings. Foul number 28. First personal foul.
Sapa. Ay! Nice.
2 points, number 18.
Mawa naman sa Bruce. Nice. Foul.
Foul number 10.
Second team foul. Linalip. Papa. Hindi nilabas. Nakapasok na si Kuya. Si Cyril. I hope he's okay.
Shot at 40.
Parang nabigla agad.
10 seconds to shoot.
Nice.
Long 2. number 12. Official score 7-17.
Kevin, rumibawang ka. Huwag mo yung bola. Asok. Kabisado pa ni...
Foul number 10, that is second, third team foul. Young Vikings.
Hindi na makakain ako. Come on! Ay! Ay!
10 seconds to shoot.
Woohoo! Rebound, Kevin! Rebound! Ay!
Rolling.
Let's go! Wake up! Wake up, kuya! Oh, shoot ko na! Ako, pinasa pa. Yun.
Basket 9-19.
Hindi pa na-warm up yung mga...
14 seconds to shoot.
Yes.
10 seconds shot clock.
Nice D. Nice pass. Takbo, takbo! Yes!
Timeout, Young Vikings. Official score 11-19. 8 points.
Pinasok na nila yung malaki nila.
Nice. 50 seconds.
Rebound. Kevin! Ba't ka na andyan, Kevin? Pwesto. Ay, shooting ni Kevin. Bilisan mo daw sina Chase. Bilisan mo, Chase. Wala na. Pinantayan ka na ni Kakapagod. Woo! Nice. Wow, si Paras.
Foul number 2.
Inits. Kaya ng mga player ito hanggang first quarter.
8 seconds. 6 seconds remaining. Five.
Nice pass. 3 points.
3 out of the first quarter.
Second quarter. Anak, walang tao eh. May nakabantay. Yun, nice start. Uy, Dre.
10 to shoot.
Isa pa, Dre. Isa pa, kuya. Uy, reverse. Pangit. First shot yun. Ganon.
Points, 24-11.
Parang hindi naman.
first team foul, Young Vikings.
Ay, nako, for shot. No! Huwag ganon. Make sure you're in the position to shoot. Eh? Rebound. Rebound. Wow.
Long two.
Kuya Sai, are you sure you're okay? Grabe. Nice, Adrian. Pass. Pass. Naku, lakas. Rebound, kuya. Rebound. Siyempre, si Elijah yun. Laki. Hands up. Ay! Ay! Ay!
2 points, 28-11.
Score tayo.
Basket.
Good job, kuya. Make it more precise. Rebound, rebound. Ganda naman na rebound. Ay, na-foul pa.
Basket count.
77.
Foul number 77. That is first team foul on Rosses. One shot. Connect. 31-13.
Wow. Nice. Okay.
Basket 15-31.
Nahuli ako ah. Nice one.
Albion.
Nakapagod to. Yay!
Basket count by Rosses. Foul number 18 shot.
Buti pa sila may pang-stop. Tap lang.
2 points, 35-18.
That's good. Ay! Okay. Go, Kobe. Rebound. Wow! Nice!
3.
Nice one, Kobe!
Camera.
Tama. Meron 3 points. Nagutom ako.
14 to shoot.
Yes, nice defense. Good job. Go, Camero. Yes!
Basket number 12, 23, 35.
Nice one, kuya. That's what I'm
10
talking about.
seconds to shoot.
Nice D. Kanino? Kay Kobe. Malakas. Hindi na Kobe. Sige, sige. Init. Evangelista. Nice D. Babalik kay Rohit yan. Ang galing naman ni Paras. Nagpo-force sa loob. Idol ko si Paras. Nagko-coach sa loob. Ibang klase ba? Isa pa, Kuya Sai. Isa pa. Huwag mo na i-kick out. Yes, and one. Yes, and one.
Foul number 9.
Name. Generoso. Let's go, Adriel. Get one, Adriel. Get one, Adriel. Nice, D.
Wrong.
So,
37-23.
ay, nabasa ni Rohit ang sitwasyon. Kuya Sai, are you sure you're okay to run that fast? My gosh, Kuya Sai.
Foul
Dalawa na
number
para.
2, that is second. Second team foul, Rosas.
Ay! Sayang.
10 seconds to shoot.
Wow! Nice one.
23.
Nice, Kobe. Sapa. Sapa, sapa. Sapa, Sai. Ay! Easy, easy. Easy.
10 seconds to shoot.
Yay! Galing! Galing!
Foul number 9.
Nice. Third na yata natin.
Warning for penalty,
Fourth.
Vikings. Bonus shot.
Nice one.
26-40, 1 minute. Shot left end.
Nice, Adriel.
5 to shoot.
Ako, dadalaanin niya sa bilis yan. Siyempre, kilala siya ni Rohit. Nice one, nice one, nice one. It's okay. Rebound, rebound. Get back into your game. Yun. Nice one. Ay, pumasok pa rin. Nakakain si Rohit. Woo.
20 seconds remaining.
Ay! Yes!
Rosas 28-42, 12
Ah,
seconds.
good, Kuya.
10. 5.
Ayun, pasok pa.
End of the second quarter, official score 28-44.
Quarter. Nice one, Adriel. Paras. Foul.
Foul number 7.
7. Second. Second personal. Number 7.
Second personal foul. First team foul, Young Vikings.
Nakakawagan ni Rohit. Ay! Kabisado ni Rohit ang galaw. Woohoo! Nice shot for 3. Yeah, pasok.
3.
3 clap for Elijah
47-28.
Javier. 3 points. Ay! Block na naman. Ay, hindi effective. Talagang si... Pero, yan, 3 ulit. walang tao. Ay! Ay! Isa pa! Huwag mo ipilit! Oh my God! Yun, ganyan, ganyan. Yun.
30-47.
Ipilit ni Kuya eh.
In favor of Young Vikings.
Wala sa posisyon. Nice no defense. Ay! Takbo! Kay Paras. Ay, naagaw na. Galing ang steal ni Ron. Nice pass. Ang galing! Galing ni Paras! Andiyan si Elijah. Kuya, rebound. Yay!
3 Paras. 33-47.
Ay, dito yan si Paras.
Shot clock
Yun
40.
o, tumalsik. Ay, tumalsik yung mugo.
Basket 49-33.
Ah! Tulong! Huwag mo i-shoot. Ayusin mo! Ah!
Russell 35-49.
Nice, Idriel.
Basket
Nice one, walang foul.
51-35.
Ay! Kobe, Kobe! Kobe, get your three. Ay! Foul si Javier. Ah! Ang ingay ko na naman eh. Nice, Idriel.
Basket count. Foul on number 18. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Let's go, Idriel. Yay!
38-51.
Good job. Wow. Nice play.
Basket 53-38.
Kevin! Kevin, mag-screen ka ng maayos. Go, kuya.
And
Inside.
Dillion 40-53.
Racer. 3 points.
3 Elgin.
Nagla-set daw yun. Go, Paras. Isa pa, Kevin. Huwag mo nang i-dribble. Ayun, no? Ay! Kinapos. Go, Kobe. Ah! Nakuha ni. Pero shot. Nakuha ni Evangelista.
Shot like 10.
3 points.
59-40 in favor of the Young Vikings.
Go, Kuya Sai. Sabay din. Nicely.
Basket
Apat. Tatlong
61-40.
tatlong bantay. Iwasan. Sapa. Labas. Sapa. Ay, lumabas. Ulit. Oh, you did that. He's asking for a high five. Oh, you did that.
18, that is third.
Rebound. Kuha. Agaw, bola. Nice pass. Woohoo! Pasok. Uy, tik na. Ay, nabitawan ni Adrian. Ay! Go. Ay, nako, binudribble pa.
8 seconds to shoot.
Yes! Go, Jace! Nasa yung bola? Long 2. At 3 points? 3 points. Kylie Rosso. Wag umingin dyan. Maraming tao dyan. Rebound, Kevin, kuya. Isa pa! Kevin naman. Hindi man lang mag-try mag-rebound to. Batang to. Let's go, Kobe! Ayun, na ano? Sino yun? LG? Yun, oh, ganda. Ay! Hands up lang, Kobe. Doing my thing. What is it? Ah, okay. Rebound. Hindi pumapasok yung mga 30-pluser ngayon, ah. Ay! Lakas! Time out. Oo na, si Adrian. Sakit naman ito. Paras. Nice pick.
15 seconds.
Nice pick. Ay, Kuya Sai! Yay! Galing, Kuya Sai. Grabe, tumatalo na si Kuya Sai ng matalo. Okay, end of the third quarter. Yes! 3 points! Campero! Good job! Kuha! Huli! Mali. Ano? Late na yung reaction ko. Nice. Rebound! Wala pa mag-rebound. Hands up, rebound! Ay, pasok! Uy, ishoot mo, yes!
49-68.
Yun! Ay, naku, sayang. Sana nakuha. Ah, hindi aggressive yung ano. Balikan. Oh, pasok. Go, Paras. Nice one. Go for 3. Isa pa. Ay! Last shot. Kaya kaninong same ball.
73-49.
Galing pa magpantay. Ay! Naku! No! Not like that! Ayun o, tetres na naman o. Ay! Kobe for 3. Yes!
Basket 51-73.
Magaling ni Kuya dito ah. Napapasaan ng bola. Salamat kay Kobe sa akin para.
Foul number 8.
First team foul. Go to your side. Yes! Good job, Kuya. You know, sayang pala. Hindi niya kinukunin sa karangan. Okay, okay. Okay, go, go, go. Go, go, go.
14 seconds to shoot.
Kaya. Meron pala sa likod.
Gabriel 77-53.
Ay, Widil. Nice.
Basket 55-77.
Hi, JR!
You have M1 or Isaac?
Yes. Nicely, nicely. Wow! Ay, Lord. Go, Kobe. Go, Eli. Cyril. Ay, foul. Sayang.
Foul on number 8, 17. Timeout, Young Vikings.
Welcome back, Kuya Sai.
Shot clock 14. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds shot clock.
Ay, lumabas. Hindi marunong magdala ng bola si Kuya. Sorry naman. Pwesto na, pwesto na. Kuya Sai. Ako nakaharang si Red. Let's go. Isa pa, isa pa. Team. Nice one. Yo. Sabol. Kaninong bola?
Roses ball, roses.
Roses daw. Nice one for 3. Ay, ayaw. Huwag mo harangan. Ayun.
Last 2 minutes.
Yeah.
63-80.
Nice run.
Shot at 14.
Nice one. Nice D.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ayun o. Ayun. Libre. Ay! Ay, sorry. Ay!
10 seconds shot clock. Basket 82-63.
Yes!
3.
Go for your side. Ay, sorry. Excited. Give it your all.
Shot at 14.
Hands up. Ah, lumusot sa ilalim. Na-foul ba?
55 seconds.
Mabas lang. Teka lang po. Time out. Kuya Sai na bago. Stay with it. 1 minute na lang. Less than a minute. Kuya Sai, hindi mapigilan. Suge. Ay, okay lang daw, sabi ni Kuya Sai. Isa pa. Isa pa kuya. Ay ano, Kubi, isa pa.
20 seconds.
Nice. Foul.
Foul over.
Ano ba si Kuya Sai?